This video I will explain top free AI tools you can use today. What are AI tools? AI tools are software or apps that use artificial intelligence to make tasks easier, faster and smarter. Instead of doing everything manually, these tools use AI to save time, improve accuracy and make work simpler. The best part is many of them are free to use. First one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is used for content writing. Generate articles, essays, and creative content with AI assistance. ChatGPT is used for question answering. Get instant answers to complex questions across any topic. ChatGPT is used for concept explanation. Break down difficult topics into simple, understandable terms. ChatGPT is used for brainstorming. Generate creative ideas and solutions for any project. So ChatGPT is help you to write content, answer questions, explain concepts, and brainstorm ideas. And it is great for students, writers, and professionals. Second one is Grammarly. It is used for grammar checking, automatically detects and corrects grammatical errors in real time. It is used for tone analysis, analyzes your writing tone to ensure appropriate communication. It is used for spelling correction, identifies misspelled words and suggests accurate alternatives. It is used for professional polish, perfect for emails, essays, or professional documents. Grammarly is an AI tool that checks grammar, spelling, and tone in your writing. Perfect for emails, essays, or professional documents. Third one is Canva. It is used for poster creation. Using this, you can design eye-catching posters for events, promotions, or personal use with AI-suggested layouts. It is used for social media posts. You can create engaging content for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter with smart templates. It is used for presentations. You can build professional presentations with AI-powered design suggestions and layouts. Canva is a design tool that uses AI to help you to create posters, social media posts, and presentations easily. Even beginners can make professional looking designs. Fourth one is Jasper. It is used for blog posts. Generate engaging blog content with AI powered writing assistance. It is used for ad copy. Create compelling advertisements that convert readers into customers. It is used for social captions. You can craft engaging social media captions that boost engagement. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps with blog posts, ads, and social media captions. And it is useful for marketers and content creators. Fifth one is Copy AI. It is used for product description. You can generate compelling product descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. It is used for social media posts. You can create engaging social media content that resonates with your audience. It is used for ad copy. You can develop persuasive advertising copy that drives conversions and sales. Copy AI is similar to Jasper but with a free plan. It helps you to generate product descriptions, social media posts, and ad copy quickly. Sixth one is Notion AI. It is used for note summarization. Automatically condense long notes into key points and actionable insights. It is used for idea generation, brainstorm creative solutions and innovative concepts for any project. It is used for task organization, structure and prioritize tasks for maximum productivity and efficiency. Notion AI is an AI powered productivity tool. It can summarize notes, generate ideas, and organize tasks. Seventh one is Pictory. It starts with your written content or script. AI analyzes and select relevant visuals, creates professional videos with voiceovers, and it generates ready to share video content. Pictory converts text into short videos with visuals and voiceovers. It is helpful for YouTubers, marketers, and educators. Eighth one is Remove.bg. It is used for instant background removal. It is an AI tool that removes backgrounds from images in seconds. Great for designers, photographers, or anyone editing pictures. You can upload any image with subject. AI automatically detects and removes background. You can download clean, transparent PNG files. It is perfect for product photos and portraits. Remove.pg makes background removal effortless for everyone. Ninth one is Otter.ai. It is used in meetings to record and transcribe business meetings, team calls, and conference discussions. It is used in lectures to capture educational content from classes, seminars, and training sessions. It is used in interviews to document conversations for research, journalism, or hiring processes. Otter.ai is an AI powered transcription tool that turns spoken words into text. It is useful for meetings, lectures, or interviews. 10th one is Lumen 5. You can upload your text content or article URL. AI breaks down content into video scenes. It automatically matches relevant images and clips. It generates engaging video with transitions. Lumen 5 is an AI video creation platform. It transforms text or articles into engaging videos. 11th one is QuillBot. It is used for paraphrasing, rewrite sentences while maintaining original meaning. It is used for style options. Choose from formal, creative, or simplified writing styles. It is used for clarity enhancement. Improve readability and flow of your content. QuillBot is an AI powered paraphrasing tool. It helps you to rewrite sentences in a clearer or different style. 12th one is DALL-E. It is an AI tool that creates images from text descriptions. For example, you can type a cat wearing glasses and it will generate an image. You can describe any scene or object. AI creates unique artwork, perfect for creative projects. No artistic skills required. 13th one is Gemini. It is used for writing assistance. Generate content, essays, emails, and creative writing with advanced AI capabilities. It is used for coding support. Debug code, write functions, and learn programming languages with AI guidance. It is used for question answering. Get detailed explanations and answers across diverse topics and subjects. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, similar to ChatGPT. It helps with writing, coding, and answering questions. Why we have to use these tools? They save time by automating boring or repetitive tasks. They improve quality of work, better writing, better design, and clearer communication. They are beginner friendly and don't require technical knowledge. Most of the tools have free plans, so you can try them without paying. Now we will see the summary. AI tools are free apps or platforms that use artificial intelligence to make life and work easier, from writing and designing to video making and transcriptions. These tools can help anyone, even beginners, be more productive and creative. In short, with these top free AI tools, you can work smarter and faster, and you better starting today.